In this question, we're given the function y is equal to x squared minus 4. There are three different tasks that we need to complete in this question. The first is to calculate the y output values for the input values that are in this table of values on the right. Then we need to plot the points to match our table of values. And then finally, we need to indicate below whether the function is quadratic or not, and then explain how we know. Let's first start with our table of values. If we take an input value of negative 3 and substitute it into our function, we have negative 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, we have negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 1 squared is 1, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. 0 is an easy one, 0 squared is 0, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. And then completing the rest of the table in the same fashion, we have these points that are mirrored from the top. So let's drag and drop them into the correct places. Negative 3, 5, negative 2, 0, negative 1, negative 3, 0, negative 4, 1, negative 3, 2, 0, and 3, 5. Now we need to answer the questions on the left here. Indicate below whether this function is quadratic. It is quadratic. Notice that we have a parabolic shape. How do we know for sure that it's quadratic? Well, the first one says the shape of the graph of the function is a parabola. Well, that looks to be true. The algebraic version of the function is a second-degree polynomial. It contains an x value with a value of 2 and no higher. If we take a look, we see x squared. That's another way to recognize that, indeed, this is a quadratic function. So both of these would be true, which means we should pick the final solution, both of the above. Let's check our answer, and we are correct.